invoice extraction and data visualization feature. Imagine you're a business and you have multiple customers sending you invoices. What do you do to visualize them properly? Well, that is exactly what this feature of our workflow does. All you have to do is head over to your SharePoint site in the invoices folder that you have created and upload your invoice. Over here, I will be uploading a sample invoice that I have. Once uploaded, this kickstarts our workflow. As you can see, the invoice over here has multiple different aspects. It has the total, it has it has the description of each item or quantity of a service that you require, and it has the shipping address and the billing address, all of that. Our flow will be able to extract all of this easily and process it, give it to you in an Excel sheet, and also connect it to your Power BI dashboard. Now, what happens once you upload this invoice? Well, the first thing that happens is that our invoice reader workflow uses an AI model that is trained on invoice dataset to accurately extract all the features present in an invoice. If you were to look at the model, you will see that it has been trained with a nice accuracy. Clearly, it says 99%, and these are the fields that it outperforms every single time. Now, once you upload your SharePoint invoice to the SharePoint, the AI model extracts it, and based on a custom logic that we've implemented, uh, which is based on the total amount of the bill, the you get an approval email that is sent to different departments. Let's say your invoice amount is less than 1000. The email will go to every single person in your HR department. Let's say it's between 1000 and 3000. Then your email will go to every single person in the finance department. And let's say it's over 5000. It'll go to everyone in your management department. These are just demo limits that we have set for this demonstration, but otherwise, that is how the logic would work. So once all of this is processed, the concerned department will get an approval email. As you can see, I've received one where it says, okay, this is the management invoice. Since the amount was greater than 5000, it's the management invoice. I can see the invoice over here, okay, and I can choose to approve or reject it. Now, let's say I just approve. We've implemented a feature where you cannot approve without passing a comment. Assuming you do that, you will get a mail again asking you to approve or reject with a comment. And once you do that, it will further process and then add your data to Excel sheet. Right now, you can see the Excel sheet's empty. This is a custom Excel sheet that's made based on your invoice data. Right now, it's just empty with headers. Now, once you approve it, clearly you saw that I did not put a comment in this. Now, once I've hit yes, I will get another mail telling me that, okay, you haven't approved with a comment. Please add a comment. As you can see, I just received this mail. Please approve and reject with comment. Okay, I will approve and say yes, approved. Bill my management. Now, once I do that, my Excel sheet should automatically get updated. As you can see, the fields that were in the invoice have been extracted. Similarly, even the line elements have been extracted with the invoice ID. Now, let's say I want to put the invoice with a slightly different format. Okay, let's do that. Let's close this. Upload files. Let's go with any random invoice over here. Once this gets uploaded, the same workflow happens. To see how the invoice is different, let's look at this. it has new fields that have been accounted for already, and the billing to shipping to invoice ID, everything. Let's see how the workflow works now. Okay. Also, since you can see that the bill amount is just 1600, this is more likely to go to the finance department. In my previous example, this went to this email, the VK email, as a management invoice. But since the value is less, this goes to the other email that we've configured called the finance invoice, which goes to the user 2 account. In this case, the procedure is the same. You can choose to approve or reject it. Let's say I approve. Again, I'm approving without a comment to check its utility. Once it's approved, it will check for the approval comment, and since that's not there, it will send another email again. As you see, the mail has just arrived. In this case, I can choose to approve or reject it. I can look at the invoice again. Okay, good. And I will approve it. We now set up every single member in the finance team or the respective team whose email is put needs to approve the invoice for it to get added to the Excel sheet. Invoice is extracted properly and has been added based on whatever parameters it could find. Even the line elements have been updated. Now, right now, all you have to do is upload it into SharePoint and we can get the data. In the future, we will also bring features that allow you to directly extract invoices from emails that are sent to you on Outlook. Now, once all of this is done, you can go back to your Power BI dashboard and you can see all of this happen. Right now, this is just some data that was put already, so you can see it's not updated. To update the data, we simply go back to our workspace. Our data set is book 1. We will refresh it. Now that's refreshed, we can go back to our invoice dashboard and refresh this as well. Okay. You can see these fields have been added. We've got the invoice IDs, we've got the custom data, and best part about this is whenever you click on whichever field you want, or like specific invoice you want to look at, it only shows you data for that invoice. This was a demonstration of the invoice extraction data visualization feature. Thank you.